Okay, she went on the one, no. She went all come.
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of a club.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Don't mind the noise around. I have my chair here that is disturbing me.
Yes.
Anyways, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day. Yeah, the barrier is gone, it's done. So we are trying to do our morning routine, village routine. Okay, so guys, today is another day and I would like to carry you guys along on what we are going to do today. We just woke up. The Hamatan here is something else. It's blowing everywhere. Unfortunately, I forgot my cardigan. I didn't come with my cardigan. I thank God I came with my kids' own. But they don't want to sit at a place. Everybody is working this morning. Some people are sweeping. Some people are mopping. So we are going to do cooking. We are going to boil water in a village way. Is it village stove? Charcoal cooking. How do I put it? Cooking. So we can pour eku na English. Eku igwe now.
Eku.
Oh Jesus.
What English name? Eku igwe. Standing cooking.
Chukudi.
Cooking stand.
Is it getting?
No, tell what?
This is an architect. Tell us what is eku in English now.
Eku in English means standing cooking.
Eh?
Yes, eku. I'm not like in English. Standing cooking. I'm like eku. Eku
Oh Jesus! Eh?
2001.
This is my brother. So funny human being. So guys,
this is for retail.
Let's go. Daddy is here. Daddy is in the village. I can't even get you.
I'm tall now. I'm tall. I'm a long man.
And say hello to my viewers.
Hello viewers, and thank you for being with us.
Say good morning now.
Hello is not good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning viewers, but your viewers are diverse.
Of course, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.
Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. No matter where you are in the part of the world where you are currently.
Yes, so you are connected. So guys, we just woke up low, so let's start our morning routine. Okay, catch. Can you put it? Come and put fire. Come and put firewood inside there. On a shin. Oh yeah, be put it now.
Put your leg like this.
Okay, she went on the one, no. She went uncle email. No, put it like that. Oh, Jesus.
Put another one. Put another one. Don't break it. Don't put it.
My auntie is teaching Michael how to put firewood in the fire. Ezigbo. Oh yeah. He has to break it now.
Yeah, one here. Turn it the other way around. Turn it the other round. Don't break. Don't put it like that. Yeah.
Michael, you have to stay. Oh, or chukpakpa. I can help you not one month, no. Michael, you will stay till February. We'll come and pick you. Oh yeah, put that one aside. Bring it over here. Guys, Kamsi is cooking with the firewood. 4x4. Yeah, 4 here. I don't want to look I should be happier. Zara, come and put the fire. Push it the fire here. Push it now. Yes, my baby. See, Kamsi is cooking. Kamsi is cooking. You don't want to cook. Push the fire now. Come on, we are going to cook here today. Are you sure as gas? Baba. Are you sure as stove here? Go and bring kettle. Let's boil water for Betsy. Go to the kitchen. Bring my mama's kettle. Oh yeah. Let's boil water. It's okay. Oh yeah, carry it. Carry it and pour it in. Fill another one. I should carry it. Pour it in the bucket. Then you fill it. See how Matt is fighting me. Can you imagine? Yeah, I'm cooking. Yeah guys, we are still cooking. After the burial, we have a set of group that are coming to take their rights, so we are making the food for them. So we are still cooking. This is jollof rice. I didn't take you guys the process on how I make this jollof rice, but I guess you know how to make it. In one of our previous videos, we made jollof rice, party jollof rice, and that's exactly the way I'm making this particular one. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video interests you. Okay, all the rishi activities we did here. The kids are learning how to put firewood in the fire. This is their first time of doing that. I actually have gas in the kitchen, but I just want them to, you know, learn how to do this and other things. Don't worry, we have other videos that are coming your way. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you. I love you guys. This village is so sweet. I really love the village, and the kids are really enjoying the village. They run to the bush, come out, run everywhere. Like, you know, in Lagos they don't do that. They don't have such privilege, but here they have the privilege to be running around, run to the bush, come out, run to everywhere, every corner of the building. Yeah, it's something that happens once in a while. Yeah, once in a year. So guys, I love you. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Guys, I'm done cooking. See you in our next video. Ciao ciao.